morning. It's Monday. I look like I've had lip filler. I've got 2 more cold sores. Fox puked again last night. Literally he's just so full of snot. He just can't, he's like, and then it's just dripping down, and then it's just he's just puking out snot, and then he's having like massive green snot trails, and they're like luminous green. But I was on the phone to 111 on Saturday night for 93 minutes until they answered, because the poor fucking NHS is just on its knees because of the fucking Tories, and just being overwhelmed, just horrendous. So it wasn't their fault, but they were really lovely, and they said, went through all his symptoms, and they said, seeing as he hasn't got a temperature at the moment, we want you to take him to the doctors on Monday. So they've sent a kind of electronic note to my doctors, so I can ring up, and then they'll get him in straight into the GP. They're not gonna have to triage him or anything. They're just gonna get him in. And I'm also gonna make an appointment for myself, because I don't know how to make myself better. Like, my cold sores are just so fucking painful, and they're just spreading so bad, and I don't want to spread them to the kids. And I know you can get like antivirals for cold sores when they're really bad, and this is like the 4th or 5th week now of cold sores. So just really fed up with it. It's so painful. I made my Christmas gravy yesterday. I need to go and pick up Ari's inhaler as well today, because she's just run out, and I need to order a new one. Foxy's finding himself, like, you wouldn't know he was poorly. He's just literally so full of mucus.
Mummy!
Playing Play-Doh.
I play Little Sausage.
Let's see. Everyone's got their matching pyjamas on. Let me see your pyjamas. I've got us all matching pyjamas. And they are the cutest and softest. They're so nice, aren't they? Harry's got hers. Mika's got hers underneath her thingy.
Have you got...
I've got a top as well, I just haven't got it on. So yeah, and then tomorrow, where are we going tomorrow? I can't remember.
Santa.
We're going to see Santa tomorrow, which is exciting. I still can't get over these curtains. They've made such a difference to this room. It feels like a proper room now, and not like I'm in a fucking, like an aquarium being looked at. I'm gonna go, because I'll make sure everyone has some breakfast, and then I need to be ready to ring the doctors at 8:29, so I don't end up in a stupid queue for like an hour trying to get through. So wish me luck with that. We're making cookies. One of my friends is coming round, and we're making cookie logs. We're excited. Ari's just helped me.
I said 1 chocolate chip.
I know you said 1 chocolate chip, and Mummy put in lots, didn't she? Naughty Mummy. That looks about half. And then one cookie log.
Oh,
Mm-hmm.
Nom nom.
logs. These just go in the freezer now, and then you just slice them as you want them. Can I see your drawing? Wow, that's beautiful. Well done.
I'm going to put it in the airing cupboard.
Okay, you put it in the airing cupboard. Good boy.
For it dry.
So it dries. Lovely job.
I'll shut it.
Good boy. We've just got back from doing our jobs. We did some delivering. Mika and Aria! Come here! They had their friends around this morning. There is Play-Doh all over the floor.
Okay.
Look, there you just walked past a bit. There's a bit. There's a bit. I asked them to pick up all the Play-Doh that they've all thrown all over the floor. And they said they've done it. You rescued Chippy, did you?
Yeah.
Look, you guys have just walked past the bit that I just told you about. There.
Where?
Right in front of you. And Ari, there's more there. Look, all over there. My mouth hurts so much. I spoke to the GP this morning and they're going to see if they can give me something just because it's been going on for so long and I cannot eat properly because it hurts. Fucking Play-Doh all over my slippers. Yeah, we had our friends around this morning, which was nice. Nice to have a catch up with a grown-up. Oh, I need to put some coal on the fire. We're making like taco beef. We're having nachos for dinner. So I need 4, and I'm making myself some buffalo. You can't see that buffalo cauliflower, and the smell of this is like making my mouth water. It looks so good. I'm very excited for this. I just feel like I need vegetables. So I thought I would make myself some nice big batch of it, and it's going to be amazing. I'm ending today's video early, he's been sick again just from coughing. Just sat in a steamy shower room with him for like half an hour. I feel like shit, my mouth hurts so much and both the girls feel crap, so I'm done.